on the subject. Yes. Okay, so what today we are going to learn? Yes. So we are going to see about the introduction lesson of what are the syllabus under each unit and what are the assessment will be there. So what are the software requirements is necessary for this to carry out this subject, and what kind of installation process will be there. Okay, so everything we are going to see one by one on today. Yes. So first of all, so what is a machine learning? Okay.
Yeah, it is a support of AI, and
Okay.
it's provide ability to mission to learn automatically by implicitly, ma'am. I mean, without being explicitly
Yeah, without
programmed.
explicitly programmed. Okay, so if you study this course, okay, you told some of the pointers experience-based learning, and some of them said that algorithm is necessary, then autonomous is automatically how that machine is going to work. Okay, so if you study this course, so what are the outcome you are going to get it? The first one is you are going to understand the basics concept. Okay, so why that machine learning? Okay, if you study this subject, where you can apply this concept, what are the applications will be there? Because day to day life you are crossing lot of applications. Okay, so lot of applications running in machine learning. Okay, so but you don't know how it's working in the what I can say the principles we are going to study in the subject. And mainly algorithm you said, it's again the algorithmic, we need some mathematical things. Okay, so we are going to read about, understand about how the mathematical will help you to achieve that, maybe get the good output with the help of this algorithms. Okay, the first thing is linear regression we are going to study, and after that multiple regressions. Okay, that is whatever the problem we couldn't able to solve by the linear regression, we are moving to the next step of multiple regression models. Okay, so we need definitely some kind of input. Okay, so we can say here that is data set. So that's we are going to study. And already your friend said that, so we need some kind of algorithm. Okay, so in this we have different kind of algorithms will be there. Okay, so that problem may be solving through classifications or clustering or maybe regressions. Okay, the first unit part of we are going to cover the regression, and next set of unit classification, and next set of thing is clustering. Okay, maybe if you are hearing the first time this kind of word, maybe it's new to you. Okay, some of them I think you are working in the project, because last time while I'm asking, some of them said that they were way off the answer. Okay, so we are going to tackle this three problem mainly in this subject. So regression problem, classification problem, and clustering. Okay, each and every technique we are going to handle with some kind of input, so that we can say that is the data set. Okay, so if you completely understand the subject, and if you are able to give the good result of the subject, so this outcome definitely you can able to achieve. Yes. So what are the unit wise first of all? So the first unit, you have to understand what is machine learning and types of machine learning and what kind of that applications are there. And second unit, linear regression. Okay, so we can see how it will be, how it will solve the problem of the learning things. And next unit, multiple regression and model building. Okay, what are the drawbacks? We are moving from simple linear regression to multiple regression unit. And next unit, classification algorithm. And fifth unit, clustering. So this is the detailed syllabus. So I given it, so you can refer it. Okay, what are the deep knowledge of linear regression, multiple regression, and in classification we have lot of algorithm. Okay, there is a decision tree base, the neural network, SVM. Okay, so lot of algorithms are there. So we are going to study one by one that algorithm. Same as for the clusterings also, we have lot of the clustering like K-means clustering, Clara, randomized, Okay, so lot of algorithms we are going to study in this unit. Okay, so first of all, I have to say about this courses, autonomy course, and lecture 3 hours, practical 2 hours, X component 2 hours, totally 7 hours. And you are going to get credit of 4. And if you want to get more knowledge of each and every concept, okay, so our following the concept, that syllabus of IBM based one. So machine learning 2019, okay, IBM book you can refer. So another book is Tart Mickle, okay, machine learning. So that is the MC Grohel 1997. You can refer it. This two textbook. Okay, so all the concept whatever we are saying, and it should be available in this almost with the full mathematical and full detailed manner. So side by side, whatever the concept I am teaching, please refer the book and get the detailed information about each and every part of it. And another reference book, you know about that Andrew. Okay, is very famous person in the Coursera and other platform, online platform. So he is again one of the book is machine learning, deep learning AI. It's 2018. Okay, so he is very famous personality. Some of them know already, Andrew NG. So please, if you want to refer some kind of practical approach of machine learning concept, you can refer his reference book also. So you know that what is the difficulties of the subject and your practicals. So we have totally 10 practical plus one case study project. Yes. So what is the assessment method? So we have the 5 assessment. Okay, I'm saying all the 5 is toughest one. So already we know that sessional exam. Apart from the sessional exam, experimental study. So whatever you are doing the practical, apart from that, you have to bring it lot of data set for to make each and every algorithm. Okay, that experimental based evaluation is again challenge task of it. Is not having predefined program to us. Okay, so we have to bring it and we have to solve it all the problems in the realistic manner. Okay, that is again experimental studies. It's a very challenge one. And quiz, maybe they can replace it by other assessment also. Still now we don't have any committee meeting. So after that I will tell you. And I already told that case study project. So case study project means again another tricky about you have to solve some real kind of problems. Okay, so you have to take it that real kind of problems and you have to solve it with some kind of result. Okay, so that's again another challenges. Okay, package mainly we are going to run about all the program with the help of Python. Whenever we have time, we can use some other tools like Vega, Orange, and other art tool, maybe Art Studio. Okay, so we can use it different tool whenever we have time. Okay, the concept is whatever the algorithm you are studying, you should understand completely with mathematically. You have to understand as well as you should know how to make the algorithm, how to write the algorithm. After understand the algorithm, you should know how to convert in the programmatical manner. After writing the program, you must understand okay how to debugging that kind of error. Then how we can run it in different platform and different kind of syntax. Okay. So mainly I'm going to consider for this one Python. Okay, so maybe you can use in the Anaconda environment Jupyter or Spider. Some of them maybe the practice of PyCharm. Some of them practice in normal Python also, okay, in the command prompt. So whatever you are going to use, you can use it. So when is and what is the style of learning? I already told you. Nowadays, all the codes are available. Okay, for example, I have to solve any kind of that machine learning problem. Already the codes are available. I can reuse it, but that is not a good practice. While you are learning the subject, first you must understand that mathematical things. Okay, so what is the mathematical behind? So how the concept, how that algorithm is going to with the help of this mathematic, and after that you have to understand the theoretical way. For example, in the theoretical way means you should reading any algorithm or maybe any concept of learning process, understand thoroughly what is the theory behind, why we are going to use that particular algorithm. And the third step is very, very important. Okay, you have to trace out the algorithm with a small data set. Okay, for example, I have to take the small sample of 3 or 4 data. I have to feed into that whatever the algorithm is available. After understanding the algorithm, I should pass that input to that algorithm. Okay, how the algorithm is going to work, what is the output is that algorithm is going to produce. If you understand that only, we can go on the next step of practical approach. The practical approach means implementation of the code. Implementation code means we can use it with the small data set, whatever we trace out with our algorithmical manner, and we can move on further into large data set. Okay, so that's a very, very important. And next thing, after you are good in practical, so you can move on to the next stage. Okay, that is the fifth stage is little bit tricky again, I'm saying. So you can participate in some kind of hackathon events or maybe other ideathon events or maybe other mini project, whatever you can study keys, a case study project, or maybe you can write the paper. Okay, these are the possibility of the fifth stage. Okay. And the next very, very important thing is you are learning in our class. Okay, that's good. Okay, that is the subject oriented. Apart from that, you have to do, apart from this normal curriculum, so a lot of MOOC courses are offering. Okay, that is a online course platform. Okay, like as Coursera, edX, NPTEL. Okay, that is the IIT professor lectures are there. Okay, so they will give, because in your syllabus is not covering everything. Okay, you have to study beyond that syllabus or maybe in depth of your syllabus. Okay, so maybe they will say only the few algorithms, decision tree, neighbors like that in your classification. You have to study a lot of again good learning algorithms or maybe in the good approach of evaluation things. Okay, so this platform will help you a lot. Apart from that, okay, Springboard machine learning engineering, the career track, that the certification course will be there, and AWS, okay, Amazon Web Service certified machine learning course are available. That's a very famous one. And professional machine learning engineering by the Google, it's supported, and Azure by the Microsoft, IBM machine learning professional certificate, machine learning from Stanford University. Okay, so those who are having, okay, that financial support, please carry on these courses. Okay, so don't waste your financial whatever you are getting from your parents. Utilize and you can study a lot in this platform. So apart from this, you can participate in the hackathons events and project competence with the maybe here they will conduct annual project review, CSP reviews. So, okay, you can participate in this competitions also. Or apart from in your local place also, they will conduct a lot of project event. So you can prepare a well kind of project. That is the uniqueness. If you have the uniqueness in your project, you can go for this kind of events. Yes, and apart from that, I mentioned, okay, some of the courses that is offered by and different platforms. Okay, that is a Coursera and edX, Udacity, Udemy, Solinda, and LinkedIn. Okay, so Google. Okay, so these are the some that is the famous courses. Okay, so available. So you can check it the financial support as well as whatever the any discount will be there. Okay, so you can further move on to this kind of platform and you can enroll the courses. Okay, so this is so I can say that one course of machine learning by the Stanford University that is offered by Coursera. Okay, so maybe you can carry on that one. Okay, so like that, each and every platform they are providing lot of courses. Choose it which one is having that more depth of knowledge, or maybe that more reviews from the customers. Okay, they already given the review on this each and every platform, so you can choose it, you can enroll it. And okay, so you know that automation system. Okay, so working with IoT, okay, internet of things. Okay, how that machine learning will help you to make the automation system. And another thing I expect that some of them will say this one. Okay, that is a 3D 4D. Okay, along with working concept of virtualization. Okay, that is the augmented reality and virtual reality. Okay, so whatever I'm training with, okay, whatever I'm working with the machine learning algorithm, that output I can feed it into the next level. Okay, that is the virtualization. And another very important I expected again, that is the 5G concept. Okay, so 4G that we are working on that, and 5G also is running everywhere. But that how it's going to connectivity with the help of again traceability of the machine learning. And again, very important that infrastructure, that is a cloud and edge computing. Okay, that's cloud. We are using the one of the cloud storage, third party server. Okay, so how that machine learning will help you to retrieve or maybe analyze with the help of the cloud data storage. And quantum computing, yes. So you know that what is the quantum physics oriented concept of implementation of the quantum computing in the computer science. How the machine learning is integrated with that one. Okay, what is the next level of it? And applied AI. Okay, that is some of them said already this concept, that is the speech technology that is using in our home based device Alexa, okay, Apple Siri. Okay, so these are the again applied AI, the concept of natural language processing, that is the NLP. NLP means integrated of your language processing. Okay, so how we can split the sentences, subject, verb, object, like that. Okay, so how the we are going to use frame the sentences, identifying the word, or maybe getting my voice. Okay, how it's translating into the way of understanding of the next third wave process. Okay, so that's again challenge process. And the future of programming, that is the extension of softwares. And next, very the booming topic of this one, blockchain. Okay, so I think recently the Modi also talk about that currency, cryptocurrency, and all those things. Okay, again the architecture behind of that blockchain. How that machine learning will help you to that cryptocurrency and the blockchain architecture of process of the transactions. And very that bio revolutions. Okay, so how it will help you in that medicines and another genetical process of that bio revolution. And again that another that nanomaterials and other mechanicals and nanoscience. Okay, I think some of them selected that you were electives also. Yes, thank you, Sumant. That machine learning will help you to make the next thing. And clean technologies, okay, batteries and other carbon neutral energy. Okay, these are the fields. Okay, it's a trending. Okay, whatever you are told, that is how we can implement that our machine learning into the next trending along with the next trending technologies. Again, whatever you said, okay, let's we can check it. There is a manufacturing, healthcare industry. Yes, some of them said that hospital and tracking of the disease, and insurance. That is, some of them said about trading app. Okay, so again, in the trading apps for investment and insurance also one of the trading kind of things, and customer services, Okay. So what are the customer services? Any machine learning algorithm you can able to say?
Chatbot.
Yeah, very nice. Chatbot. And the next one is Google Analytics with the help of chatbot. And the transportation problem, you know that. Okay, so automatic car or something. And the next e-commerce application, we know that we are using our day to life. Yeah, the recommendation system and whatever other related that searching engine of that shopping articles or storage kind of article things we are using. And automobile industry. Apart from that, okay, so what are the field, whatever you said, so now you can check it. Okay, so email spam, that is, who said email spam detections, personal assistance, fraud detections, stock marketing trading, medical diagnosis system, automatic language translation, image recognition, speech, okay, product recommendation system, traffic predictions. Okay, so this set of areas again we are working with a different kind of machine learning algorithms. And apart from that, what are the services that is the Google Ads? Okay, so how it's advertising based upon the whatever you are searching from your preference. And again, Netflix, that movie recommendation. Okay, so news feeds and autonomous cars, facial recognition, surveillance systems. Okay, there is a airport or the tracking system and predictive policing and the campaigns, optical character recognition. So these are the applications. Okay, so we are using. Okay, so remaining we can discuss on. Okay, so we can discuss on tomorrow. A is what again the saying that concept or maybe a way of how we can represent it. Okay, that is a I can say that is a technologist oriented. Okay, this way I can do, that way I can do, like that I can represent it, but I can implement exactly whatever I need with the help of the algorithmic. I with machine learning with deep learning with data mining with computer vision. Okay, so again, put it in the chat box.